Broken bottles in a hotel lobby.
Another day, another journey. Well, you know what? Actually, I couldn't find the perfect arrangement of words. So yeah, it's a brand new day. How's life? To everyone out there, I just want to say that no matter what struggles you're facing now, I know you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. Just keep going. Be positive. And don't give up. You know what? You're amazing. You're awesome. And you're surrounded by wonderful people. So enjoy it. And one more. You don't need to wait for a special journey, 'cause you can make any journey special. With Lost in Forest, Lost in Paradise.
Come and gone. Memories, they seem to show up so quick, but they leave you far too soon. Naive